Love cats? Hate allergies? We've got you covered. Here are the top 5 hypoallergenic cat breeds. Let's jump in. Number 5. Siberian. Fluffy and gorgeous. They produce less fel-1 protein. That means fewer sneezes. Plus, they're super playful. Number 4. Balinese. Silky fur, elegant look, low allergen and chatty. Perfect for talkative owners. Number 3. Devon Rex. Quirky and cute. Short, wavy coats shed less dander. They love to cuddle, your new best friend. Number 2. Russian blue. Sleek blue-gray fur. Dense coats trap dander. Allergies stay away. They're total charmers. Number 1. Sphynx. Hairless and fabulous. Minimal dander, maximum love. The ultimate allergy-friendly cat. Just keep them cozy. Which cat's your favorite? Drop it in the comments. Like and subscribe for more. See you soon.